Hello, I'm Andy Trickshot Taylor, and if you like this content, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, please feel free to leave us a comment. I'll get back to you very soon. We are going to be learning that move, and also we're going to be learning this move today, okay, which you can do continuously. So, stay tuned. Right, we're going to get into the tutorial now. So we're going to start with the finger to thumb switch. Okay, what this is going to involve is you to have your finger this side of the stick. Okay, so I'm going to grab it and it's this side of the stick. From there, I am going to basically let it rotate. From there, right, it's alright if you drop this at this point, alright, because that is going to happen. Alright, but the idea is for you to get it to wrap around that finger and to get into that pencil grip. Okay, so look, done. Yeah, we're there. From there, if you notice my thumb is already in the way, from there you're just going to let it wrap around your thumb and you're basically going to grip it like so. Okay, so watch again. It's going to go around our finger. We're going to grab it into a pencil grip. Our thumb is already in the way to let it roll around your thumb. So once you get it, and you can continue this going all of the time, say about 15 seconds, okay, you know you've mastered it, alright? Once you get to the point, you know, it's a nice move, so I hope that helps you out. We're going to go on to the syncopated wrist roll now. What that involves is you're going to need to get this figure 8 on the go. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description below to a tutorial that I've done so you can access the figure 8 wrist roll. I'm pretty sure it's in my basic beginners. So if you haven't watched that, please make sure to go and watch it. So you're going to get into this figure 8 now. From there, you're going to go underneath and you're going to basically grab it off your wrist. Do you see? So I'm going underneath. On the moment you bring it underneath, yeah, there's going to be that momentary lapse where it could fling off this way, okay? Or that way. I ain't editing that out. So if you watch, I'm going underneath, okay? Do you see? When it gets about here on my wrist, I'm going to lift my wrist up. Okay, so watch. That was underneath. There. Do you see? See how I lift my wrist up at that moment in time? That helps the nunchuck hop over your arm, basically like so. Do you see? So if this helps you out, I'm really, really glad. You can do many variations with these two moves, as you can see. Yes. At the end of the day, please support my channel. If you like this, please subscribe. You know, you'll be doing me a great favour supporting my content, and thank you for being here, guys. I'll see you very soon.